आम्ही तर ऑलरेडी काम स्टार्ट केल्या जेसीबी हाडून ते पायपलाईन ते उदकाची हेजे पोना घातली आता जेसीबी हाडून ती ऑलरेडी करता आणि प्लंबराक आपयला ऑलरेडी हाडून आमी करतले आणि मिलिंद नायकाच्या अंडर फूल म्हणजे वास्कोचे म्हणजे मुरगांव हांगासून फूल डेव्हलपमेंट जाता वो रोडाचे आमी आतां वायडनींग करून हें केला एक 12 मीटर रोड जातलो तेजे फुडें पेवर्स येतले ऑलरेडी काम इन फूल स्विंग आहा.
Issue is possibly, as I see, no one has come to me right now. After 2 I came to know. Like normally, if there is a overflow, something like that, no, people complain. Somebody tends to complain, and immediately we send. So presently, there might be a choke because it was not happening earlier. Okay, sometimes it does happen because there is a possibility like some sand entry there, and then the blockage is there. So based on that, that overflow is there. But you say like 3-4 days, but no one has told us. No one. It is not brought to my notice also. So it should come. I'll send somebody to check it out. Okay, and that is there. But sometimes monsoon also, know whatever we have having a problem down there. See, the depth of the manhole is very less, and if rainwater comes inside the lines, which is a possibility, then that manhole cannot sustain the flow. That time there sometimes there are overflows on there. So for this, during the monsoons only, I have to go and check because it happened this monsoons only.
Will you be doing any changes to sort out that issue? Anything?
Yeah. See, when it rains, that time the water enters the line. That is a possibility, and that can be checked only when it is raining. So it happened during the fag end of this monsoons. But by that time the rain subsided. Like I have to check it in the next monsoon if it does happen.